Okay, so now that I have my design done, you are going to use charcoal to create your value. So when you look at this, each one of these shapes is its own shape. So like this, I originally drew as a circle, but it is no longer a circle. It is two semicircles. So I've got this semicircle and this semicircle. So you have to remember that each line creates different shapes now. So when you get this, you want to roll your sleeve up because you don't want to get anything on your clothes, especially if this is picture day for you. You do not want this to get on your clothes, so you have to be really careful. And so what you're going to do is kind of create a line. And I always like outline all of mine. Oof. And then I'm actually going to use this charcoal. So I'm going to draw a little, just a little, very little bit. And again, it should only be on your hands. You really shouldn't make that big of a mess. And I'm going to smear it down towards this part inside of this shape. I don't want it to go outside of that shape. I want clean, empty space out here. No charcoal on this side. It should all create this shadow on the inside. So then when I'm putting the charcoal on this shape, I don't want to put it in this corner because then it really won't see that line. It'll just kind of look like it's all one circle again. So what I'm going to do is do the opposite. I'm going to take the pencil and outline it, and I'm going to create the value on this side. Now you don't have to put it in the corners either. You could have put it all along this area. You just don't want when you're creating your value. See how I'm dragging it down? So it's darkest in the corner, and I'm just dragging it so it gets lighter as it spreads across this shape. Let's use this pencil and just clean this up. Okay, so now I'm going to finish the whole thing. Actually, I'll do one more for you before we start. So I'm going to outline this shape with this pencil, and then I'm going to have it go up this way, up towards that shape. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to create that dark area. I'm going to flip my paper, and again, I decided I want it to go this way, so I'm going to drag it down. I'm not going like this, I'm dragging it down. And if I don't think that's dark enough, then I would probably go back and add some more so I could really create that value. And again, I want this to stay clean and white in that area so we get that illusion that this is casting a shadow. Okay, so then I'm going to finish this up and you can see how it goes.